Types of hardware. Computer hardware is the physical parts of the computer system. Computer hardware is divided into internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware. Internal hardware are hardware found inside the system unit. Motherboard is the central circuit board, found inside the system unit. All other hardware are plugged into the motherboard. They are central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for all data processing. CPU is placed in the CPU socket on the motherboard. Internal memory. Random access memory and read-only memory are the internal memory used to store computer data. RAM is fixed in the slot present on the motherboard. ROM is also pinned on the motherboard. Power supply. Power supply sends power through cables to the motherboard and other components. Graphics card. Graphics card is plugged into the motherboard, and makes the computer to display images on the monitor. Fan. Fan acts as a heat sink. It keeps the CPU cool and stops from overheating. Sound card. Sound card enables the computer to produce sound. It also helps us to connect the microphone to the computer system. Expansion slot. An expansion slot is the slots on a motherboard. It can hold an expansion card like a video card, network card, or sound card to expand the computer's functionality. Drives. Hard disk drive, floppy disk drive, optical disk drive are connected to the motherboard. External hardware. External hardware are hardware found outside the system unit, and they are connected to the system unit. They are input devices, output devices and storage devices. External hardware components are called peripherals. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instruction into the computer. Examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, joystick, webcam, microphone, etc. Output devices. Output devices receives the information from the computer, and gives it to the user in a human-readable form like text, audio, and video. Example of output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projector, etc. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data. Examples are optical disc, floppy disk, hard disk, USB flash drive, memory card. Question time. Match the following. You have 15 seconds to complete. Drop the following in the correct circle. You have 15 seconds to complete.
Every week, you will be notified by a new video. So, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell.
Thank you for watching Make It Easy Education.